Good morning, students. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Students, today we will do the book work of chapter number 1, Max Words. Let's start. Topic number first one is write T for true, F for false for these statements. First one is Benjamin liked collecting coins. No. What does Benjamin like? Collecting stamps. Benjamin liked Meg's idea of collecting words at once. False. Max collected both small and big words. True. Meg's favorite color were red, blue, and brown. False. What was the Meg's favorite color? Green, blue, and brown. Meg's collection became so big that it spread into the hallway. True. Now we will move on the second part. Read these lines from the story and answer the questions that follow. Whose first one is you don't have enough, said Carl. A. Who did Carl say these words to? Carl said to Max. What did the listener not have enough of? Words. What happened immediately after this point in the story? क्या हुआ था इस स्टोरी के बाद? He started to create a story. Oh, all right, they said. Number 2. Who spoke these words and to whom? ये वाले वर्ड्स किसने किसको कहे थे? बेंजामिन एंड कार्ल सेड टू मैक्स. What did they agree to? They agreed to give stamps and coins. वे किस बात के लिए एग्री हो गए थे? स्टैम्प्स एंड कॉइन्स देने के लिए. What did they get in return? उन्हें इसके रिटर्न में क्या मिला? Words. They get words in return. Now we will move on the page number 8. Vocabulary. Students, look, make 9 small words from fee letter list. Each word must have 3 or more letters. One has been done for you. You have to make 9 words using the words fee letter list. First one is late. Second one is hill. Third one is late. Fourth one is later. Fifth one is least. Sixth one is tell. Seven one is taste. Eight one is eight. Nine one is last. Now we will move on the next topic, that is identify the nouns in the box as countable or uncountable. Write them in the correct items, correct columns. Students, here are some nouns. You have to find which one is countable or which one is uncountable. Countable nouns are that which we can count. Uncountable are that which we cannot count. First one is tea. We cannot count tea, so it's uncountable noun. Second one is country. Country is a countable noun. We can count easily. Milk. We can't count milk, so milk is uncountable noun. Cotton. Cotton is also uncountable noun. We cannot count cotton. Chair. We can count the chair easily. How many chairs in this room? One, two, three, like. Salt. We cannot count salt, so it's an uncountable noun. Goat. We can count goat easily, so this is countable noun. Next is artist. We can count how many artists are there. Spoon. We can count the spoon easily, so this is countable noun. Next one is cheese. We cannot count cheese, so this is uncountable noun. These are countable and these are uncountable noun. I hope you understand the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Next is fill in the blanks with words from the box. Here some words are given. sugar, milk, ice cream, paper, soup, chocolate. A bar of chocolate, a spoonful of sugar, a sheet of paper, a glass of milk, a bowl of soup, a scoop of ice cream. Now we will turn the next page, that is page number 10. Fill in the missing letters to spell words related to books. That is, first one is story book, STORY, story, BOOK, book. Number 2 is library, LIBRARY. Number 3 is AUTHOR, author. Number 4 is PRETTY, pretty. Number 5 is character, CHARACTER, character. Number 6 one is bookmark, BOOK, book, MARK, bookmark. Next is my word bank. Students, you have to write some new words that you have learned in this chapter. First one is unique. Second one is rapidly, 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 UNIQUE, unique, rapidly. Number 3 is slithered, SLITHERED, slithered. Number 4 is piles, PILES, piles. Number 5 is hallway, HALLWAY, hallway. Number 6 is trade, TRADE, trade. Number 7 is butted, BUTTED, butted. Book work of this chapter is completed. Students, I will share answer as well as. Thank you.